In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use overlay effect. Here is the video. I will play it without overlay effect. Now I wanna go my Chrome browser, then go to Pixel website and search overlay video. Here you can see a lot of overlay video footage. Choose any one you like. I will download this overlay video effect and this effect. Click on it on the download tab and download it. After download has completed, drag this overlay effect on the timeline. Click here and go to input, then select to overlay video footage and open it. Now I'm gonna use these overlay videos on the first video layer. Drag it onto the top of the video layer. Then select video layer and fix the alignment. Select set to frame. Then go to the effect control panel. Change the blending mode. Here are a lot of options. You wanna choose anyone like skin, lighten, linear brom, darken color, multiply. I wanna choose skin option on this time and play it. Apply same process to another one.